Starting with example number 6.3, a metal cube of side 1 meter is subjected to a force. The force acts normally on the whole surface of cube and its volume changes by 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 5 meter cube. Now here if you have a cube whose side is 1 meter, that is original length is 1 meter. Now if a force is applied on the cube and due to the force the cube gets compressed and now its volume is, this is V is the original volume, dV is the change in the volume, and the change in the volume is given by 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 5 meter cube. See, the force acts normally on the whole surface of the cube and its volume changes by, so that is change in the volume. The bulk modulus is 6.6. Calculate the change in pressure. Calculate the change in pressure. Bulk modulus is given as 6.6 into 10 raised to 10. 6.6 into 10 raised to 10 Newton per meter square. We know the formula for bulk modulus, that is V dP upon dV. They are asking you to calculate dP, so let dP be over here. K is already over here. Take this dV in the numerator on left hand side upon V. What is the value of K? 6.6 into 10 raised to 10. What is the value of dV? 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 5. And V, the volume. So we don't have volume but we have length. So how we will calculate original volume of the cube? It is L cube. So 1 per cube. That will give me 1 meter cube. So it is 1 in the denominator dP. So we have just numbers in the numerator. 6.6, 1.5, 10 minus 5 is 5 dP. Now you just multiply 6.6 with 1.5. 5 6 is 30, 6 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. Same. So 0, 9, 9. 2 digits. After point we have 2 digits. So it is 9.9 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square will be my dP.